What's up, everybody? Today we're working on the all-wheel drive Civic project. We're gonna get the rear diff mount and all that stuff locked up and welded in here. I cut this out a couple videos ago, but I need to get access to the top bolt. So I'm gonna pull this plate back off, cut a little bit more out of here, and then we'll mount the diff to that. That way we can figure out where all this stuff is gonna go. Alright, went ahead and modified this and got it back up in there. Just chopped out the corner a little bit more. Should give us enough room for a bolt.
It's running into...
Alright, I'll put the bottom one in so you don't have to hold it as much.
Okay, but we're running into an issue.
Yeah? We're running to the bottom of the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I guess we need to mark that and cut out a hole.
No, because we're going to put the lift kit, so that won't be an issue once the lift kit's on there. This is just for the front mock-up.
Shit.
Can you push it up into place?
No.
No,
that's
as
it.
far
That's
as
the
it'll
body.
go? Okay, well we'll just take a hammer and knock it out. Because we don't want to cut another hole that we don't need. Alright, let's try it again. Is that enough?
No.
No?
Now we're hitting.
Let me put the bottom one in.
There you go.
Where is it hitting at?
Now it's hitting in a different spot.
Oh, it's hitting that piece.
Yeah,
Okay.
it is.
You ready?
I'm ready. Oh, I think I see where you're talking about. Right?
Yeah,
You might have to cut that out.
Might have to cut a little bit.
Okay. There you go. Alright.
Aha, we're there.
Yeah, we're just there. Holy crap. Can I set it down?
Yep.
Oh.
The diff is there, hanging on its own. Alright, so we pull this diff back out and hammer right up in here. I'm sorry, I don't know if y'all can see that, but trying to keep it from cutting another hole.
Yeah, because then you had to tear the whole trunk out.
Yeah, not trying to catch the trunk on fire. And I don't want another place for like mud and water to go in when he's off-road. I think that might do it. Let's do another test fit.
It's just not going.
Okay, so diff come back out?
Yeah. Says it hit on the other side though.
I didn't see it hitting on the other side, but perhaps. Oh, sorry. Let me get out your way. I'm sorry.
So this corner?
Yeah. Lower. The actual corner down there.
Huh?
Like lower where the actual corner is.
Here?
Yeah.
Didn't mean to. Yeah.
I can see.
No. Alright.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. Diff is bolted in from the back mount, and then clearance everything for that.
Start it up.
Then got everything laid out that we're gonna have to weld. Got a practice piece, and we got a welder. Stainless steel flux core. Let's see how this goes. None of us are extremely confident in it, but it's all we got, so we're gonna give it a shot. Blue Demon. All right, we got the welder and everything set up, and all the pieces kind of in place. So this is what you're looking at. Move this arm, Ben. Got our bar that goes across here. That goes up against the frame rail. Goes together there and there. And then you got these pieces also that go up into there. Welded to this bar as well. So I got everything marked out. See right there. And right there. Other side as well. So now we just weld it in. Alright, we went ahead and pulled this off. Since we have our marks and everything, we're just going to weld it on the table. Now remember, we are using stainless steel flux core wire. Just doing the best we can here. Alright, Josh got that thing all welded up. Well, at least this part of it. Stainless steel flux core. I think it's amazing. Josh hates it. He says it's ugly. But they're stuck together. Everything still fits. Marks still line up. Epic. So next thing is just weld these little tabs on the end. And then we'll be ready for measurements to send off to HRG to get the drop kit made. And then after that, we'll finish weld and bolt everything. All right, got those pieces on there. C-clamp them in place. Nice and flush to the frame rail. So just gotta go in and weld right there. And then that'll more or less be mounted after that.
Whoa.
Got that tacked in. Someone reach their hand in and grab that.
Wait.
The bar.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh.
Hey, just a really nice fit. And there we have it. So I guess that's about as far as we can get in this video. But just so y'all can see a little bit better, this is where I was hammering out the bottom of the car. And that's just to give it clearance for this right here. If y'all aren't doing a lifted Civic though, and this is actually where your diff's gonna sit, it probably wouldn't be a bad idea to like cut all that out and actually like make it nice and stuff. But like I said earlier, I just didn't want to cut another hole in it that we didn't really need. Just another place to get mud and water and junk up in there. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. What seems like a kind of complicated thing to do, S1 has come up with a pretty simple way to do it. And once you get the little bit of welding done, right there, we still have to weld these on. They'll end up going like into the floor here. There's not really any reason to have to take that back out which is why we're actually going to weld it to the frame rail. It does have holes in it for if you want to do like a nut cert and actually bolt it in, but S1 recommends welding if you can. So that's what we're going to do on this one. But anyway, so from here, it'll probably take HRG a couple months to R&D the drop kit for it. So we'll just be waiting for that to come in. And then in the meantime, we have been messing with some wiring. Don't want to shoot out too much. That'll be in a video here in a week or two. But anyways, that's gonna be all for this one. Hopefully it can help some of y'all out. And we'll see you next week for another one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.